What is going on, guys? Boosted Beards, and we are back at it. We were going to answer an age-old question today. Are red brakes more gooder? Let's find out. And don't forget, stay tuned. Keep an eye out for our next video. We're going to be installing this badass wing.
60-0 brake test on stock calipers.
All right, guys, so we're back, and as you saw, the first test didn't go that well with the regular calipers on.
No. Yes. It's going to be a completely different story once the red ones are on.
Yeah, I hope so.
So, what are you doing?
Cleaning off these nasty damn brake calipers.
Yeah?
Hey! Nasty precious.
That's what it is kind of sort of supposed to look like. Kind of like this, but good enough. Paint will stick, that's all that matters.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's hitting with the wire wheel, so we're gonna go ahead and hit him with some brake cleaner, kind of get him just cleaned up just a little bit. We're gonna set him out here, let him dry up, and then we will hit him with primer and paint.
Smells like brakes, dude.
Yeah, I bet these things are hot right now.
Oh yeah.
Let's get the fuck out of here before the cops show up. Making some fresh Brembos, baby.
They'll be for sale later.
Yeah, hit us up on our Instagram and yeah, DM us and
500 for the front, 600 for the back, 1,000 together.